It's important that it tastes good. That's what it's all about. 1 ton bags of sugar, and we hoist them up into the hopper and drop it down to the hopper, and then it gets pumped from there to where we're using it. It's not just the final taste, but that's very important, but it's also the way it is holds together. It's a very good mixing agent.
In this room they're weighing out mostly flavours, and in the far corner they're weighing out colours. If it's 600 kgs of sugar, if you're a kilo out, it doesn't matter. If it's 5 grams of colour, then it matters a lot if you're out.
As it goes up, it's split into 2, and it goes down, comes back in together again. So that gives a much better mix than just tumbling straight over. Each one of these mixes has got a filling line underneath it. That area there is where we just do dairy products, a bit of higher security, higher dress code. Currently we're making a yogurt mix. This is a soy sauce mix.
A lot of things that are kind of cyclic, and we've already done a little bit of work, so it's improving with newer ingredients. At the moment I'm developing a pumpkin soup, yeast extracts and onion powders and garlic powders and peppers and that kind of thing, and it just gives it that layering that makes it nice.
The difference comes, I suppose, with what suppliers you're using and what the actual materials are. It might say pepper, but that could be one of 100 different peppers.
We do select the best milk powder. Anything made in New Zealand has certainly got a plus with the consumer in China. The brand New Zealand is very important in China. Started in 1934, Mr. Hansen and Mr. Mansell. The liquids area at the front was built onto it. We built 2 big warehouses on the back for storing our products, and this is the production area. We are still the original company, the original site. Whilst the brands have been sold off, we've now got a Supreme brand, and we've got a Goodness brand, and we've got a Cavity Kitchen brand. We are still making a lot of products under the Hansells brand and under a lot of other brands now for other customers. Happy to talk to anyone that's got some ideas on a product that they think might work, and we can counsel them and advise them whether we think it will and what might need to be done to make it work.